Is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. I'm going to show you how to change the bands, okay? Very simple here. So first thing you want to do is you want to turn it upside down. It's easier this way. And you can see how this is going to go in, right? Not like that. It's going to go in like this, upside down, with this little metal thing here, okay? So what we want to do is, you see the needle on both ends? The first thing you want to do is put one needle in. And now this one, we want to go ahead and go down, but we want to press this button. And it's kind of hard to press that button. You might have to like use your fingernails or like use a different finger. And then once you think you pressed it down, go ahead and try to wiggle it. Okay, I didn't get it. Let me try to get my fingernail on that button. Okay, there we go. Now it's in place. Okay, and the same thing on this side here. Just going to go ahead and put one side in first. Okay, and now this side I'm going to put into there. Okay, so I'm going to press this button. Just like that. Voila. And to take it off, same thing, okay? Just reverse it, okay? So I'm going to press the button, press down. Oop, didn't get the button in. Press down, and then you want to kind of lift up like this. Same thing with this one here. Let's press down, and kind of, oop, I didn't get that button in all the way. Nope, let me try to get my fingernail on there. There we go. You can see I just popped that out. Just like that. Good luck.